इफ वी डोंट प्रोटेस्ट हु विल प्रोटेस्ट? अगर आप साचे कि मोदी जी की 56 इंच छाती है, वो तो भगवान है स्वयं, तो फिर हम आपके लिए नहीं सोच रहे। अगर आपकी सोच वो है तो महुआ मोइत्रा आपके लिए नहीं सोच रहे।
जब भी देखिए कभी एडजर्न हो रहा है पार्लियामेंट, कभी चीखम चिल्लाई चल रहा है, सो वी सॉर्ट ऑफ डोंट रिलेट टू व्हाट्स रियली हैपनिंग इनसाइड आवर इंडियन पार्लियामेंट।
देखिए, दिस इज अ वेरी वाइटल क्वेश्चन, बट ये सवाल आप गलत लोग से पूछ रहे हैं, आप विपक्ष से पूछ रहे हैं। द हाउस इन अ डेमोक्रेसी, लोकतंत्र में द हाउस बिलोंग्स टू द ऑपोजिशन, विपक्ष को हाउस बिलोंग करता है। पर हमारे जो व्यवस्था है, डेमोक्रेटिक जो व्यवस्था है इनसाइड द हाउस, ये ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी में चलता है, राइट? तो आप अगर देख ले तो इनके पास 300 से अधिक एमपीज हैं। तो कोई भी बिल हम चिल्ला सकते हैं, हम कह सकते हैं कि नहीं करो, डिस्कस करो, स्टैंडिंग कमेटी में करो, पर पास करने के लिए हमारी ज़रूरत नहीं है। और ये चीज़ अभी की जो सरकार है उनको बहुत अच्छी तरह मालूम है। तो अगर आप देखें, अगर हम जैसे चुन के आए हैं, आज जैसे देखिए, इवन पार्लियामेंट्री कोई नॉर्म्स होते हैं। अगर आपको ब्रूट मेजॉरिटी भी है तब भी आपको नियम के अनुसार विद इन द नॉर्म्स कुछ करना है। पार्लियामेंट्री नॉर्म्स कुछ होते हैं। इस गवर्नमेंट ने हर नॉर्म को, हर पार्लियामेंट्री डेकोरम, नॉर्म्स, रूल्स, रेगुलेशन सबको खिड़की से बाहर फेंक दिया है। आप एक सिंपल सा उदाहरण दीजिए, सिंपल सा एग्जांपल। आज जैसे लिखा था इन द लिस्ट ऑफ बिजनेस जो होता है, रिवाइज लिस्ट ऑफ बिजनेस जो होता है, जो आज पार्लियामेंट में क्या होता है, आप लोकसभा वेबसाइट पे जाके एक सिटीजन होते हुए आप वो देख सकते हैं। उसमें क्या लिखा था? इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द आधार एपिक लिंक्ड बिल। इंट्रोडक्शन क्या कि मंत्री उठ के इंट्रोड्यूस करे बिल, ठीक है? जिसको इंट्रोडक्शन में अपोज करना है वो एमपीज जाके अपोज करे, फिर एक डेट होगा चर्चा के लिए, हम लोग सब डिस्कशन में पार्ट ले। क्या हुआ? आज सुबह इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ, हम लोग ने वहां पे कहा कि ये हम अपोज करते हैं। दोपहर को जैसे ही सप्लीमेंट्री ग्रांट्स खत्म हुए, इमीडिएटली वो इस पे वोटिंग करके वॉइस वोट से, हम डिवीजन मांगे, वॉइस वोट कैसे होता है? जैसे घर पे सब पूछते हैं ना, आप क्या पिकनिक पे जाओगे, आप चाइनीज खाओगे ना इंडियन खाओगे, पापा पूछते थे। तो तीनों में से 2 बच्चे बोले चाइनीज खाएंगे, तो ठीक है चाइनीज चलते हैं। अगर 2 इंडियन चाहे तो इंडियन। तो ऐसे ही चल रहा है पार्लियामेंट। तो जैसे ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंट बिल जहाँ पे आधार लिंक कर रहे एपिक के साथ, वो बिल वॉइस वोट से पास कर लिए। सो दिस इज व्हाट वी आर डूइंग। जैसे अभी हम वेल में है, आप सोच रहे हैं हम लोग मजे लूट रहे। व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नाउ? आप एक सरकार किसके आधार पे चलता है? हाँ, एक अपना जो नीति है, एक नैतिक आधार पे तो चलती है एक सरकार। तो यहाँ पे अजय मिश्रा, टेनी मिश्रा जो है यूपी में आप देख रहे हैं, वो मंत्री है और ही इज ऑल्सो MOS होम, इसके अंदर प्रिजन्स है। वो मंत्री के खुद ही चुनावी इलाके में, खुद ही लोकसभा, उनके खुद के लोकसभा केंद्र के अंदर अगर आप देखें तो वहां पे मीटिंग चल रही थी। वहां पे उनकी गाड़ी में उनके बेटे ने उनके लोगों के साथ जाके 5 आदमियों को कुचल दिया। 3 दिन तक उन्होंने कहा कि वो तो था ही नहीं गाड़ी में, जब एक वीडियो सर्फेस तभी लोगों ने कहा कि ही वाज देयर। इस आदमी को आप अभी तक कैबिनेट में रख रहे हैं। So we are obviously protesting because if we don't protest, who will protest? आपने हम लोग को वोट दिया है, पर आप तो जाके वेल पे नहीं कुछ बोल सकते। तो हम ही होंगे अगर हम छोड़ दे कि नहीं, तो सिर्फ वो जो चाहते हैं सिर्फ वही डिस्कशन होना है। So we have to stand up. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि टेनी मिश्रा कैबिनेट में रहे, अगर आप साचे कि मोदी जी की 56 इंच छाती है, वो तो भगवान है स्वयं, तो फिर हम आपके लिए नहीं सोच रहे। अगर आपकी सोच वो है तो महुआ मोइत्रा आपके लिए नहीं सोच रही, ठीक है? अगर आपकी सोच है कि देश का जो मॉरल फैब्रिक है उसको बचाना है एंड वी हैव टू स्टैंड अप, तो फिर महुआ मोइत्रा आपके लिए सोच रहे। तो यहाँ पब्लिक को भी देखना है कि वो किस साइड पे है, और पब्लिक को सोच विचार करना है कि किसको वोट दे रहे और क्यों दे रहे। They have to understand.
तो आप बोल रहे हैं कि गवर्नमेंट जो एमपीज है वो डिस्कशन नहीं होने देते हैं,
सिर्फ अपना
सुनते ही नहीं है, वो बात
सुनते ही नहीं। आप तो देख रहे हैं बहुमत में चल रहा है सरकार, कुछ भी सुनते ही नहीं है। और फार्मर्स आंदोलन में बस ओनली द फार्मर्स वर देयर, जो यूपी में 70 सीट हम लोग कह रहे थे ना, ये नंबर, व्हाट इज द नंबर? 700 किसान मर गए। 700 से कोई फर्क नहीं हुआ। वो 70 जो है, जो 70 सीटें वेस्टर्न यूपी में है, जिसके डर के मारे उन्होंने ये लेजिस्लेशन वापस लिया, राइट? और फिर देखिए ना, वो फिर बैकडोर से इसको लाएंगे। आई डोंट ट्रस्ट देम एट ऑल।
अच्छा, आपको लग रहा है फिर बैकडोर से लाया जाएगा? तो मैम ऑपोजिशन का स्ट्रेटेजी नहीं होता कि चलो वोट नहीं करें, वॉकआउट करें?
वॉकआउट तो फिर वॉकिंग आउट तो कुछ नहीं, दे हैव एनफ कोरम। वॉकिंग आउट तो वो तो 300 से चला ही सकते हैं हाउस। वो तो बार बार ये कर चुके हैं कि अगर आपके ऑपोजिशन बेंचेस खाली भी हो, एम्प्टी भी हो, फुल वॉकआउट भी करे, उनपे तो कोई देयर इज नो लिमिट टू नॉट रनिंग द हाउस।
They
so
will
they will
still
run the
go-
house anyway.
go ahead,
Absolutely.
just
हम चिल्ला रहे हैं,
passing a
वेल पे हम
legislation.
वॉकआउट कर रहे हैं, 370 में तो वॉकआउट हुआ था, क्या हुआ? क्या पास नहीं किए? These, when they have brute majority, there is nothing we can do to actually stop.
Acha, ma'am, tell me something as an MP, as a woman MP, what are the 3 things very quickly you would like to change about the Indian Parliament today?
I think the most important thing that we need to change is we need to have Prime Minister's questions. Because if you see in the UK that every Friday the Prime Minister comes there and he actually answers questions. Any MP can ask him questions and he has to answer them. He has to. So I think in a democracy, the Prime Minister is the highest elected office. So यहाँ पे तो प्रधानमंत्री पहले दिन आए थे 26 नवंबर को. उसके बाद वो एक दिन भी सदन में नहीं आए.
आपने कभी उनके सामने स्पीच दिया है कोई?
नहीं, वो कभी नहीं.
अच्छा, अभी तक ऐसा कभी
नहीं हुआ. वो तो खुद कहते बात कहते हैं और उनकी बात जब खत्म होता है वो चले जाते हैं. वो तो सुनते तो है नहीं ऐसे. So anyway, so this is the most important thing that we need to change. The second thing is the whip system, because abhi jo hua hai ki if a party gives a whip, then everyone has to think by the whip. There is a whip system in Parliament also.
Yes.
And the third thing is, which again is in brute majority, which I think we have to change. As long as there is first past the post and not proportional representation, then brute majority works. So I think we have to think long term in a country where it's not black and white. Whether we bring in proportional representation like they have in Europe, where even people with 6% of the vote have a voice. Because यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, they have not come to power with 50%. They have got 33%. But because the opposition is different parties, different regional strategies, they have come to power. Doesn't mean that they have brute majority actually.
Right.
Somebody might have won by just 500 votes, but they have won.
The
person who has lost may have got 3 lakh votes, but still he is nowhere. He or she is nowhere.
Right.
So that's another thing.
तो ये आपका 3 चीज़ें आपके हिसाब से.
Right.
अच्छा मैम, tell me something. You have started your political career with the Congress party. You have been extremely close with some of the leaders as well. अब जो आप जिस पार्टी में टीएमसी में है, अभी जो नैरेटिव एक है कि चलिए बीजेपी तो है ही, उनके खिलाफ तो हम लोग लड़ ही रहे हैं, थोड़ा ये भी जनता को बताते हैं कि आप कांग्रेस छोड़िए, आप टीएमसी को देखिए. व्हाट इज योर पर्सनल ओपिनियन अबाउट दिस?
So there is no personal opinion. I do not think that being a member of parliament we are allowed to have any personal opinions, and it's a bit of a ridiculous question when people go against the party line and they say ये तो मेरा personal opinion था. अरे भैया, अगर आपको personal opinion तो पूछता कौन आपसे? आप तो पार्टी से आके चुन के आए, तभी तो लोग आपको पूछ रहे. तो पर्सनल ओपिनियन की क्या बात है? सो देयर इज नो पर्सनल ओपिनियन.
अच्छा, पर्सनल ओपिनियन नहीं पूछ सकते.
देयर इज एन ओपिनियन एंड माय ओपिनियन इज दिस. We respect the Congress. Congress is the oldest party in India. There is nothing like that. But the issue is that in a country as diverse as ours, sometimes when we need to fight something as dangerous as the BJP, ये जो है ना, ये एक बहुत dangerous वायरस के जैसा है. ये ऐसा फैलता है ये बीजेपी जो है. So to fight them, sometimes we need to also adapt and change strategies. We can't always be कि देखिए इतने 180 सीट्स में तो कांग्रेस बीजेपी 1:1 है. हम तो छत्तीसगढ़ में नहीं है, हम तो राजस्थान में नहीं है, हम तो मध्य प्रदेश में नहीं है. पर जिन प्लेसेस में हम हैं एंड द रीजनल पार्टीज है, देन वी हैव टू अडॉप्ट अ स्ट्रेटेजी. और एक चीज ये भी देखना है कि जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप गोवा में देखिए, 2017 में कांग्रेस गॉट बहुमत. दे वर द सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी. 17 सीट उन्हीं को मिले थे. सरकार वो नहीं बना पाए. तो इस टाइम कैन वी टेक दैट रिस्क? तो आवर पॉइंट इज वेयर परहैप्स यू आर नॉट डूइंग एज वेल एज यू शुड एंड वी नीड टू फाइट द बीजेपी. वी मस्ट गिव पीपल अनदर ऑप्शन.
राइट. तो अल्टीमेट
is to get rid of the BJP.
वो
Congress is nobody's. Ultimately, we are all in the fight against the BJP.
Okay.
And this is part of a BJP narrative. अब BJP दिखाना चाहते हैं कि अरे तृणमूल तो हमारे बहुत क्लोज है. हम आजकल देख रहे हैं कि बीजेपी के जो ट्रोल्स हैं उनका जो काम ही नहीं है. जो पेड ट्रोल्स है वो 5 रुपए लेते हैं और दिन रात बैठ के ट्विटर पे लिखते हैं. तो उन लोगों का तो काम ही है. तो वो कह रहे हैं कि नहीं, अब तो योर पार्टी इज एकदम क्लोज टू बीजेपी, आपका तो टारगेट कांग्रेस बन गया. दिस इज ऑल रबिश एंड एवरीवन नोज द ट्रूथ इन दिस. दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ द नैरेटिव दैट दे आर सेइंग. Target is very much the BJP, but sometimes the BJP, like I said, it's a very dangerous virus, and you need to keep changing your, sometimes it's penicillin, sometimes it's something else. But the point is not always the numbers. The point is what kind of strategies, where do we use to make sure that voters have an alternative. Like Goa voters are thinking that in 2017 we gave Congress a chance, they failed. So today again they'll think, oh God, we only have BJP, we only have Congress. और कांग्रेस ने तो ट्राइड एंड फेल्ड हो गया है. तो इन दैट केस वी नीड टू गिव देम अ थर्ड ऑप्शन.
मैम वो क्या, एब्सोल्युटली आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन ऑप्शन. यस. तो यही ऑप्शन क्या, जैसे अभी राहुल गांधी आल्सो पोजेस हिमसेल्फ एज एज समबडी हु कैन फाइट अगेंस्ट नरेंद्र मोदी. आपको लगता है कोई Mamta Banerjee is that one person?
No, I'm in the Trinamool Congress. I'm obviously not going to go and speak about another leader being having fighting abilities. But of course, but you've seen Mamta Banerjee, and now she's in Bengal, for example. अभी जो हमारे जो विधानसभा के चुनाव जो खत्म हुए, everybody said BJP will get 200 ये वो. उनके जो सारे resources थे, उनके मंत्री थे, उनके सब कुछ थे, पैसा वैसा सब कुछ उन्होंने use किया बंगाल में, but it came to nothing. So I think Mamta ji has one thing is that when she makes up her mind, like she made up her mind against the CPM कि इनको हटाना ही है, वो हटा के ही रहती है. So I think that is one.
तो अभी भी mind बना लिया तो लग रहा है आप हटा के रहेंगे. 2024.
Definitely, that is the fight.
मैम आप इतना आप लोग आपके बहुत नो होल्ड्स बार्ड अटैक रहे हैं डायरेक्टली अगेंस्ट द प्राइम मिनिस्टर, होम मिनिस्टर, तो पार्लियामेंट के बाहर या कभी अलग से आप लोग मिलते हैं तो क्या दोस्ती है आप लोगों की कि तब भी एकदम डरते हैं लोग आपसे और नई बातचीत होती है?
हम पार्लियामेंट के बाहर कभी इनसे मिले नहीं है, and I've never had the privilege to, but see, we are standing up for a principle, right? Our fight is not against the person, right? So nobody fights against a person. Within outside of parliament, we all have social relations. और कभी-कभी मुझे हंसी भी आती है because sometimes, for example, उस दिन अरुणाचल प्रदेश के CM ने कुछ फ्रूट भेजा घर में, तो I knew there would be an आकाश, पर कभी-कभी I tweeted, I said thank you for the fruit. और लोग कहते कि अरे आप बीजेपी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, but it is not that. When you are in politics, yes, we are obviously on opposite sides of the spectrum inside Lok Sabha, but when we come out and if it's somebody's birthday or this celebration, or when we sit in Central Hall, we are all human beings, and there is definitely room for cordial discussion and debate and social relations.
अच्छा मैम, अभी recently एक हुआ that Mamta Didi, she sort of sent out a message. She asked you to clearly toe the party's line. आपको सिर्फ लोग टीएमसी लीडर के हिसाब से नहीं जानते, यू हैव योर ओन पर्सनैलिटी. महुआ मोइत्रो को लोग बिना टीएमसी के पहचान के भी जानते हैं. तो जो लोग बहुत बात अपनी रखते हैं बिना किसी से डरे, किसी पार्टी लाइन को टो करने का नहीं समझ आता है, बहुत मुफर्ट होते हैं, डू यू थिंक पीपल लाइक दैट कैन एक्चुअली सर्वाइव इन अ पार्टी सेंट्रिक पॉलिटिकल स्पेस?
Yes, and actually I think one of the things that people misread into that situation was it was an administrative meeting in a district, and what she said to me was within the context of the municipality issue, and it was a very small issue. So people who didn't see that saw something great and big and some great conspiracy into this, which obviously it wasn't. Which is why I just shrugged my shoulders and got on with it, because when you're working inside this is a very big fight. Mamta ji is leading. She's not just fighting some petty fight for Krishnanagar municipality, and nor am I a leader of just Nadia, right? I mean, I'm a party soldier in the greater fight, and Mamta ji is our leader in the greater fight. So for me, it makes no difference. I mean, I woke up the next morning, I had to go to Goa. I went to Goa. She came to Goa. We did what we had to. So it's business as usual. So I think that parties like the TMC are necessary, because sometimes in very large parties, people like us can't always flourish. And I think in parties like TMC, yes, there are disagreements. Yes, there may be, a lot of things that happen up and down, but it's part of a family, and there's very good vibes. And because we're all part of a much bigger, larger struggle, these small things don't bother us at all. So you just get on with it, it's like normal. You would any family, which is normal. There's no bad blood at all. This is a huge fight. It makes no difference to me, and it makes no difference to her. I mean, the next day we get on with it.
अच्छा, so you're a very strong-headed person, and so is Mamta Banerjee. तो कभी आप लोगों में ऐसा झगड़ा हो गया कि अरे नहीं, मैं आपकी बात नहीं सुन रही, क्या आप बोल रही तो गलत है, उन्होंने बोला नहीं?
देखिए, there is two things. There is either you convince me or I convince you.
Okay, yes.
So in our party there is obviously she is the leader of the party, and she has not got here by listening to me. She has fought for 34 years. There's a reason why she is the leader and I am the follower. Right? There is always a leader. There is always a reason why she is a 3-time chief minister and I'm a first-time MP. So I'm very grateful for that, because if it wasn't for her, I don't think a person like me, without a political history, without a huge bank balance, would have ever entered in electoral politics in India. It's not an easy thing to do. And I think Mamta ji has given me that platform, and many people like me that platform. And that is an amazing contribution, I think, to the fabric of democracy in this country that she has done, that even larger parties like the Congress and the BJP have not done. So I think that's fabulous. But having said that, inside the party, of course there is room for discussion and debate.
Dissent?
And yes, of course there is. Of course.
दीदी
Of course
ऐसे
there is.
बॉस अराउंड नहीं करती हैं
No,
कि नहीं तुम्हारी
nothing
बात
like
नहीं
that.
सुनेंगे।
Like nothing like that.
थोड़ा सा
Nothing
perception
like
है बाहर,
that.
हम
नहीं,
लोग
नहीं,
बहुत सब
nothing.
लोग को डर
वो
लगता है।
perception रहना भी चाहिए.
अच्छा।
I think when you have to be a leader, you also have to be a perception. You can't let people think that you can be easily moved around. So I think that it is also good that she has that perception.
आप लोग मोदी जी को बोलते हैं, हो सकता है उनका भी अंदर हो कि नहीं डिसेंट मैं अलाउ कर रहा हूँ, पर मेरा परसेप्शन सिर्फ मैं बाहर दे रहा हूँ कि मैं
पर मोदी जी किसका डिसेंट? वो तो हम तो लोगों के बारे में बोल रहे हैं. I'm not talking about just the party. Modi ji does not brook dissent from other people. I'm not talking about within the BJP. It's fine if he doesn't have dissent within his party. His party is a very homogeneous party, and that's fine. That's his business. हम बीजेपी के इंटरनल वर्किंग्स के बारे में नहीं कमेंट करते, पर अगर आप देखिए फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया उनका तो कोई माय वे और द हाईवे है जो ममता जी का नहीं है.
There have been instances where दीदी ममता दीदी has called students, जादवपुर यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट्स माओइस्ट. देयर एक प्रोफेसर थे, उन्होंने एक कॉमेडी एक कार्टून मेरे ख्याल से सर्कुलेट कर दिया था, उन पे आज तक केस चल रहा है.
So I think there is a very big difference between a Mamta Banerjee who during an interview after the end of a long day loses it. I'm not standing up for that. I'm not standing up for what happened. I'm not defending it. Yes, it shouldn't have happened. But that's not the same thing as taking a car and running over 5 people protesting and still keeping the cabinet minister. Please understand what real fascism is. There's a very big difference
So you are
between
saying,
the two.
right? You are
I'm not
saying
defending that, but those are one-off incidents, and that's not. Nobody is killed. Nobody is killed. Nobody is put in jail.
There have been post-poll violence even in West
even
Bengal.
if there has been post-poll violence, this is a narrative that has been spun by the BJP. There's a Supreme Court thing going on right now. If the stories that the BJP said were true, that all the women in Bengal have been raped and all the BJP workers have been killed, it has now been 4 months in the election. It is a Supreme Court monitored inquiry, High Court monitored inquiry that is going on. Why aren't the TMC people all in jail? Why are not all the district presidents and the top brass of the Trinamool in jail if we were the ones who have given orders that please kill people? How many people have been arrested for post-poll violence? It is your National Human Rights Commission. The head is your Arun Mishra, not us. Your Rekha, who is head of the NCW, is yours, not ours, right? All the bodies who are doing the investigation are the central governments, not ours. If they had something on their hands, why have they not put people in jail by now?
There have been no TMC.
There might have been. There has been
violence.
violence. Bengal is a state, please understand, that has always had a history of poll violence. It is not something that is new to the TMC.
Yeah,
it is something.
that's
So
for
it
sure,
has been, when you looked at all the incidents, it is not that just BJP people were killed. It is TMC people being killed. And understand that the 2 days that the trouble took place, it was before the government was in order. The Election Commission was in charge. I'm not standing up for violence. It's not that. But we've answered this question so many times.
अच्छा मैम, आप यू आर अ वुमन MP, और क्या क्या हम लोग स्टेटमेंट सुन रहे हैं, कहीं कर्नाटका असेंबली में बोल रहे हैं व्हेन रेप इज इनएविटेबल, लाई डाउन एंड एंजॉय इट. समथिंग हम लोग को सुनने में इतना बुरा लगता है और ऐसा लगता है ये लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं. There have been instances where inside the parliament, Indian parliament, MPs have been caught watching porn. ऐसे सब situation में आपको if you can share an experience जहाँ आपको लगा हो कि ये मैं कहाँ आ गई.
I never think of myself as a woman MP.
Okay.
And I think it's very easy when you ask a man. Would you ask a man the question that as a male politician? No, you don't. You ask a woman as a female politician. So my gender doesn't define me. The fact that I'm a politician does. So as a human being and as a politician, I don't condone any of these statements that people do. I mean, people are stupid everywhere. People are idiotic everywhere, and they make these ridiculous statements. But I think that it's time that we took off our hat as women, and just as politicians and as people doing the right thing, we said this is not acceptable. But rather than saying, oh, I'm a woman, this is not acceptable. It should be unacceptable to both men and women that somebody says idiotic things like
Absolutely. But as you know, girls who are really looking up to you कि अच्छा नहीं हम भी शायद बन सकते हैं, चांस है हमारा भी एक पॉलिटिशियन बनने का. What should they be prepared for?
I think they should be prepared to know their own mind, to fight and to do the right thing, because that's the most important thing, is that even if you walk alone, have the courage to walk alone. That is very, very important to do, and don't give up. People come with these ideas of, oh, it's going to be very difficult, I'm not in politics, I'm this and that, and this is how it should be, ye bahut ganda hai, ye hai, wo hai. These are all ideas. If you want
ऐसा
to
कुछ
do...
नहीं है.
No, there is, but if you're strong, you have to be strong and be passionate. And if you want to be in the top 1% of the legal field, you have to work very hard, put in very long hours and fight the good fight. Right. If you want to be in the top 1% of doctors in India, you have to put in long hours and fight the good fight. So to do well and excel in anything, the commitment and passion that is needed is the same that is needed in
तो आप
politics.
बोल रहे
That is not
बाकी
different.
प्रोफेशनल इंडस्ट्रीज में भी इतना ही फील
Definitely, it is
बट यू हैव टू
everywhere.
स्पीक
You have
ट्रूथ
to
टू
speak.
पावर
You have to speak truth to power, and that's very important.
Ma'am, एक very quick question I'll just take. You come across as this English-speaking, hi-fi, cosmopolitan person. आप जब starting में आए भी थे, मुझे याद है आपके पास हमेशा एक Louis Vuitton का बैग रहता था, if I'm not wrong.
अभी भी है.
अच्छा, अभी भी है. तो सब लोग ऐसे हेडलाइन में लिखते थे, मेम साहब आपको बोलते थे. तो और आप एक ऐसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी देख रहे हैं which is a extremely rural area. तो क्या दो अलग अलग भगवा मोइत्रोज हैं यहाँ पे?
नहीं.
How do rural
एक
people
ही है.
relate to you?
Rural people relate to me because I do their work and I'm from there and I love them and they love me. That's all there is to it. I am a mem sahab in the way that I've lived in England for a very long time and I've studied abroad and all of that. And that doesn't take me any better. I mean, I'm honest. I stand up for my people. I don't steal. I don't do anything wrong. वो चाहते कि वो आप उनके पास रहो, उनके पास जाओ, उनके घर पे खाओ, उनके साथ रहो, उनके लिए लड़ो, उनका काम करो. That's all they want, and that is something I enjoy and I love my people. I would never ever change my constituency. अगर आप हमसे कहिए कि आप अर्बन से जाके लड़िए, हम कभी नहीं जाएंगे. I love my area.
तो आपको उनका प्रॉब्लम्स पता है ना कि असलियत में गांव के लोगों का क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Absolutely.
You understand.
I mean, I live there. I understand.
Mahua, what according to you are the 5 biggest problem West Bengal is dealing with today?
One, I wouldn't say 5. Let's start with 3.
3, yeah, let's start.
I think what the BJP has done very well is to spin this narrative that West Bengal is kind of this lawless jungle in the middle of nowhere. It's not, and I think our assembly results have shown that the people of Bengal are not fools. They actually have great perception to understand what's important. And they voted for Mamata because they realized that she's fighting for the soul of the country, right? And it's not that she does everything right. No politician does everything right. But in between the battle for Modi and Mamata, they were on the side of right. So I think that's a perception battle that we're wrong. The second thing that West Bengal is obviously a state that has gone through 2 partitions. You must understand that, right? Bangladesh and 2 partitions. Because of that, our demographics are different from the rest of India. And they are all our people. For my constituency, I have an open border with Bangladesh.
Yes.
So when people stand up in parliament and say these ridiculous things like, oh, every Bangladeshi is a terrorist and every person inside you is an illegal voter, this kind of thing is, not only is it false, it's very dangerous for the narrative. Because these are people who are our people, who are living on our land and who are contributing to our country. And, you must understand that Bengal has come out of an amalgamation of 2 lands.
Yeah.
And that's something that is very integral to Bengal. So that's another thing that we work with and that's a challenge that we face. So these are very important things, like social, cultural things that we are working
jobs.
with. That's all of India. The Bengal unemployment rate is actually lower than the rest of India. Our job creation is higher than the national average. So these are questions that I think other states need to be asked before we do.
Before we do,
we definitely we need to as with every state, we need to move to more small and medium industries, more SMEs. For us, because of our land, because we are agrarian, we don't have very large industries are perhaps not our way to go. So for us, it's small and medium enterprises, SMEs, and that's a sector that we need to grow. We just need to do that a little bit more. So agro-based and SMEs is the way forward.
Where do you see yourself as a politician 10 years down the line? आपको लगता है मे बी मैं एक दिन प्राइम मिनिस्टरियल पोस्ट के लिए भी लड़ सकती हूँ या चीफ मिनिस्टर वेस्ट बंगाल की? आप कहाँ देखिए खुद को?
कोई भी चीफ मिनिस्टर और कोई भी प्राइम मिनिस्टर कभी सोच के नहीं बनाए हैं. It has always been an accidental prime minister. Because as a prime minister, you can only become an MLA and the party chooses the chief minister. Right? You can only become an MP and then the party chooses the prime minister. So nobody sitting there, when you're in politics, these are all part and parcel of what happens. Yes, I can become prime minister. I can also lose my next election. So these depend very much on what the public of India wants, how much we are serving them and what we are doing. So in 10 years, I'm not talking about what position I'll be in, but I do hope I'll still be an elected representative and I do hope I'll be on the right side of right.
अभी ना हम लोग को सब लोग को लगता है politicians don't have a life. इन लोग का क्या? अभी आप आए हैं पार्लियामेंट से, अभी आपको फिर भागना है एक इंटरव्यू में, फिर एक मीटिंग, ये सब. आपकी as a person, as a human being, आपका रूटीन क्या होता है? आपको क्या करना पसंद है?
I have a life. Oh,
you have a life?
I have a life. I have a dog. I have a home. I have a, I have a life.
You watch things on Netflix and you like music?
I'm not much of TV
Do you like
person.
music?
I like music. I listen to music, but I'm not much of a movie person. I mean, I'll watch a movie once
When
in a
did
while.
the last time you could chill, Mahua? Like you
I
could
chill.
properly
I'm
chill.
good with chilling. I chilled today. I came back from Parliament. I took a nap for an hour. I woke up. I had a nice cup of tea.
That's not chilling.
I played with my dog. Yeah, that's chilling.
That's
But
chilling, that's
I'm not the kind of personality that needs to go and lay on a beach for 2 weeks to chill. I'd go out of my mind. So even on holiday, that's not. I like doing. Even on holidays, I like to go out and discover things and all.
आप लोग इतना चीखना चिल्लाना होता है, इतना नेगेटिविटी से आप लोग सराउंडेड रहते हैं, आप लोग की मेंटल हेल्थ को इफेक्ट करता है ये?
नहीं, मुझे तो बहुत पसंद ही आता है. मुझे तो चीखना चिल्लाना में बहुत मजा आता है. I get energized.
ये
घर आके चाय पी के I've got even more energized.
Yeah, so this no affect to your mental health.
No, not at all.
अच्छा, तो आप
we
लोग
should be
घर
here
में-
to give them a hard time. I'm hoping I'm
No,
affecting
I'm actually
BJP's
talking
health.
about all the politicians के mental health भी
I can't
चीज़ है.
answer for others, but मुझे तो giving them a hard time is very good for my mental health.
You love partying, dancing.
Not really. I don't like parties. Even
never-
when
you've never liked?
even when I was 18, I've never liked
Achha.
it. Yeah, because I always slept early. Because in my working life, I had a job that I was on a trading floor, so I had to be at work at 6 o'clock or 6:30 or something. So I've never been a late night person. I've always gone to sleep very early and woken up in time.
Mahua, you were an investment banker before.
Yes.
You
And I
were-
really need to
and
go.
yes,
I
and
am
you were the
5
vice
minutes
president
over
of
time.
JP Morgan.
Yes.
That was kind of a privileged life. Was
Yes.
that better, or as
No,
a
there's
life
nothing
as a
is better.
politician
I
is better?
enjoyed that, but this is my calling, so I need to do this.
You are always going to be a politician. No,
No, there's no going back now.
कभी और इसके अलावा अब कुछ आता
अब
ही
कुछ नहीं.
अब
This is
कुछ
the
नहीं
end.
आता. So thank you so much for speaking.
Thank
to the
you,
Print,
thank
ma'am.
you, my
It
dear.
was an honor.
Thank you.